Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. In this video, we'll be talking about 3 stocks from Basant Maheshwari's portfolio for the year 2018. Now, for those of you who do not know, he is one of the only portfolio managers who has gone ahead and survived the recent carnage in the stock markets, and he has come out with extremely strong results as far as the returns for his portfolio management service are concerned. Also friends, the additional factor to remember here is that he has a very different methodology where he tries to buy stocks which are growing at a very faster clip, even if it's a bit expensive. Please watch this video to know more. Now the first stock on the list is PNB Housing Finance Limited, which is available at 1279.10 and the face value here is 10. The symbol for it is PNB HOUSING. Now PNB Housing Finance Limited is an India-based housing finance company. The company provides housing loans to individuals and corporate bodies for construction, purchase, repair and upgradation of houses. It also provides loans for commercial space, loan against property and loan for purchase of residential plots. Now, as you would be seeing from the 1-year chart, the stock has been an underperformer. However, if you were to look closely, you would see that a double bottom formation has been formed recently as far as the 1-year chart is concerned. The market cap of the company is 21,418.90 crores, which means that the company is a large cap one. The EPS of 49.60 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 25.79, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 23.40. The book value is 376.68, translating into a price to book ratio of 3.40, which is also not wildly expensive. The debt to equity is 8.0296, whereas the return on equity for this company is 0.1396. The company has a dividend yield of 0.70, whereas the promoter holding is on the lower side at 32.80. Now this stock has underperformed, but it's imperative to remember that this stock has been growing at a wonderful pace, and this is primarily the reason why Basant Maheshwari has chosen this stock. Now the second stock on the list is Bajaj Finance Limited, which is available at Rs 2808.45 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is BAJFINANCE. Now Bajaj Finance Limited is a non-banking financial company. The company is engaged in lending and allied activities. It focuses on consumer lending, small and medium-sized enterprise lending, commercial lending, rural lending, fixed deposits and value-added services. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company was on a consolidation phase during the first few months of the year, but since then has been on a beautiful uptrend. The market cap of the company is 1,62,319.53 crores, which means that the company is a large cap one. The EPS of 49.80 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 56.39, which is a bit more expensive when compared with the industry PE of 43.28. The company is also available at a very expensive price to book ratio of 9.83. Now, as was the case with PNB Housing Finance, this stock also may seem expensive, but we need to see it in conjunction with the growth rates that this company is producing. Now, the final stock on the list is Avenue Supermarts Limited, which is available at Rs 1589.40 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is DMART. Now, Avenue Supermarts Limited is an India-based company which owns and operates the DMart chain of stores. Now, DMart is a supermarket chain that offers customers a range of home and personal products under one roof. Each DMart store stocks home utility products including food, toiletries, beauty products, garments, kitchenware, bed and bath linen, home appliances and also others. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company has been on a beautiful uptrend for the entire year. The market cap of the company is 99,191.99 crores, which means that the company is a large cap one. The EPS of 13.79 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 115.26, which appears expensive when viewed standalone, but when compared with the industry PE of 152.65, this still appears reasonable. The company has a book value of 74.39, which again translates into an expensive price to book ratio of 21.37. The company did not pay out any dividends, and the promoter holding here is a very strong factor at 81.20. Now friends, just as was the case with the earlier two stocks, the stock is also growing at a wonderful pace, and this is primarily the reason why this stock also finds pride of place in Basant Maheshwari's portfolio. Now friends, please don't consider these to be recommendations on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.